Hello everyone, I am Anil Bharti from Department of Computer Science and Engineering, BLDA CET, Vijaypur. In this video, I am going to explain binomial theorem and multinomial theorems. So first to understand what is binomial theorem, let us try to understand what is NCR. Actually, it is represented. We have already seen in previous videos what is NCR. NCR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Now what is this NCR? It is actually the coefficient of x raised to r and y raised to n minus r and x raised to n minus r and y raised to r in the expansion of x plus y whole raised to n, where x and y are real numbers. Okay. Now if you expand x plus y raised to n, we will get this, and where this term NCR, and it is also written as NCR is also written as like this. Okay. Now NCR is the coefficient of, if you observe, it is coefficient of x raised to r and y raised to n minus 1, as well as it is the coefficient of x raised to n minus r and y raised to r. So in both the cases it is the coefficient of these two terms. So this is called as the binomial theorem. Okay. And this NC0, NC1, NC2, so on up to NCn, they are all called as binomial coefficients. Okay, I hope you have understood what is binomial theorem. Now we will solve some examples. Before that, let us try to understand what is multinomial theorem. Now let us try to generalize this binomial theorem. Now instead of only x plus y raised to n, let us say that we are expanding this x1 plus x2, x3, so on up to xk whole raised to n, where n and k are positive integers, x1, x2, so on up to xk, they are real numbers. Okay. Now in this case, this will be the coefficient, that is n factorial divided by n1 factorial into n2 factorial into n3 factorial, so on up to nk factorial. And this can be also written as n, n1, n2, n3, so on up to nk. And this is called as multinomial coefficient. Now I'll take one example on this multinomial, then it will be more clear. So sometimes it will be given simply as evaluate 12 and 5, 3, 2, 2. So it means that 12 factorial, no, according to this I am telling, according to this, 12 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Now it will be 166,320. Now if it is given like this, or it is multinomial coefficient, then simply apply this formula and get the answer in the examination. See? Now I will solve one example on binomial theorem. Now prove the following for the integer or for the positive integer n. Okay, and given is nc0, nc1 plus nc2, so on up to ncn is equal to 2 raised to n. Now let us take x. What is the binomial theorem? It is expansion of x plus y into n, I mean x plus y whole raised to n. Now x plus y whole raised to n is equal to, the formula is summation r equal to 0 to n, then n c r into x raised to r and y raised to n minus r. Now what I'll do, I need 2 here, 2 raised to n. So let us consider x as 1 and y as 1 raised to n, so that it will become 2 raised to n. And let us try to do this. Summation of r equal to 0 to n ncr. Now what is value of x here? 1. 1 raised to r. What is value of I? 1 again into 1 raised to n minus r. Now it will be summation of r equal to 0 to n, then ncr, because anything raised to, 1 raised to anything is 1. So it will be simply ncr. Now go on replacing values of r starting from r equal to 0, 1, 2, so on up to n. Now first n c r is equal to 0 first time, then plus n. Next time r will be 1 because it will be incremented. nc1 plus nc2 plus so on up to ncn. Value of n is up to, sorry, value of r is up to 0, sorry, from 0 to n. So it will be ncn, and hence proved. This is the LHS. I have considered 1 plus 2 and it will be 2 raised to, not 2 here, it is n 2 raised to n, and hence prove. So in this way you can solve many problems, or you can prove the proofs. Okay, thank you.